Hey everyone, welcome back to Jack's True Guitar. Sorry for not uploading that much recently, like at all, but I thought I'd share a video today. You know, it might kickstart me again. We're going to be looking at Daylight by the Drive-By Truckers. It's written by Jason Isbell, who's my favourite artist. It's kind of simple with the chords. There's some weird ways to play them. The chords will appear on the screen now, so look at the screen. And let's jump straight into it. Okay, so you're going to start with this kind of E major chord, obviously relative to the capo. So capo on the first fret. So just playing it like that. And you're going to go from E to C sharp to B, slide up to C to A. So the whole verse is like this. Cool, that's the verse. So the verse is going again. You've got this kind of E to C sharp to B, slide up to C sharp, all the way down to A. Cool. And then the chorus is this F sharp minor to A to E to B. F sharp to A to E to B.
While we still have the day,
That bit there, you know. And then go straight back into the verse again. So, you know, the C sharp, no, the E, the C sharp, B, A. Cool. Strumming patterns. I'm just going to show you my guitar. So here we go. Have a look at the right hand, how I'm playing the verse, and have a look at how I'm playing the chorus. Okay, so here's the verse. And the chorus. Cool. Thank you for watching this kind of brief tutorial, kind of like a walkthrough, and not in that much detail, of how to play Daylight by the Drive-By Truckers. Awesome track. I'll put a link to it right here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm looking to do more videos of the same kind of genre, in that alternate country, you know, modern country, everything like that. I've done quite a few Dead South covers and tutorials in the past, so we'll be doing more of them as well. Thank you for watching. See you next video.